Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be filming a fall room tour for 2021. And yeah, let's just get started. So first on my door, we have this cute little scarecrow girl. And then coming along here on my dresser, we have this little container with candy corn inside. It just says Happy Fall, pumpkins, and then I put some leaves for decoration, as well as these cute little spiders. More leaves. I have a white pumpkin. We have Dracula back there. Some little pumpkins. This like Halloween fall tree. Happy Harvest. My favorite scents for fall, which are Sweater Weather and Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. And then I just added this scarf right here. And then over by my TV, I added these two pumpkins. Oh, and by the way, a majority of this stuff is from the dollar store. So we have these two pumpkins. They match them. They're both orange. And then on the side here, I just put some leaves, all different kinds of leaves. Up here we have an R pumpkin. So that's over here. And then coming alongside here, I added some orange and purple lights. I have a little squishy pumpkin that I added over here, right there. I added another scarecrow as well as some stickers on my mirror. And then over here, I added this cute little fall tumbler that says Pick of the Patch. Super cute with like pumpkins and leaves on my desk. And then on my bed, I have a fall pillow that says Leaves are falling, autumn is calling. So yeah guys, that is my fall room tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.